Hi there, this is Tyson from Dinosaur Dog Studio, and this week I'm going to be putting out 1 minute, it may not be actually 1 minute, tips on production specifically. So one way to make sure that you have an awesome sounding mix is to make sure that you have your production right first. So this is going to be some production tips that you can use in your music. I'm going to be using an example that I recently recorded. It's called Air Balloon. This song hasn't been mixed yet, but as we go through, you'll see how the production actually makes the mix so much easier by adding these few elements in first. The first tip I have for you this week is vocal production. So we have a punk rock, pop punk, whatever you want to call it, song here. One essential ingredient in almost all rock songs is vocal doubling. So your main vocal should have at least one double, probably more, to make that big, bombastic, awesome rock vocal sound. In the example we have here in front of us, I have actually 3 doubles of the main vocal. So the one on the top here is the main vocal, and then I have 3 unison tracks right underneath of it. So I'm going to play it for you so you can hear what it sounds like all together. All right, so what we have here is the main vocal. And then we have one that's also dead center along with that. And then we have 2 that are panned hard right and hard left. So let's listen with us. So all together you have this nice wide, awesome sounding rock vocal sound, and it's just perfect for that chorus. One thing that you can do is just add that in on just the choruses, specifically these ones that are panned hard right and hard left, so that then you will actually have this just big vocal that comes in right there, and you can transition from like a smaller verse into the chorus and just make it explode and sound awesome. So that's the first tip. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I will have another tip for you.